Hey guys, it's Fisherman Felts here, and I just received my package today that I ordered from Danco. I was wanting to do an unboxing video of it. I was pretty excited for the mail to run today. So let's go ahead and open it up. And these are the Danco pliers that I ordered. I have never had any of their products or anything like that, but I was pretty excited about ordering it because I've heard a lot of good things about them. So I went ahead and ordered me a pair. Comes with the holder that's attached to them, so that way it has a clip on the back. That way you can clip it to your pocket and they're right there on your side, and you won't lose them. These are what they look like. They also got line cutters on the side, which I'm pretty excited about those too. So I'm excited to go try these out and put them to work. Thank y'all for watching. And also, if you ain't heard of Danco, you need to go look them up on Instagram, Danco, or you can even go online and look at all this stuff that they have. They've got a lot of selection and all the colors you can pick from. So go check them out, and thank y'all for watching.